Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download CrossOver on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download CrossOver for Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or as free trial download, click on it. Now scroll down and here you have to select the preferred OS. Here I am selecting Mac OS. Now enter your name. Now enter your email. Now click on download trial now. Now your download has been started. After your download is completed, you'll get a pop-up like this. Click on it. Now click on the CrossOver. And here you have successfully downloaded CrossOver on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back